so today we are making cheesesteak and mushroom egg rolls. These are all the ingredients that you need. Egg roll wrappers, steak of meat, onions, mushrooms, banana peppers, cheese, seasoning, and eggs. And that's all you need. And cooking oil, of course, to fry the egg rolls. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to add my seasoning. That's Shemaya's little hand, by the way. Alright, spoonful of this steak meat.
The onions made it look good.
This is good, y'all. It got mushrooms, onions.
Oh my god, yes. I just love mushrooms.
Okay, so this is the amount that I put in it. So I'm going to put a bell pepper. A banana pepper. Because this is how we like it in this household, honey. So, I take, you see how it's like a diamond shape right now? So that's how I make my egg rolls. Take it like this. And then, but as you're going, you want to pull it back to make it tight. And you just roll like 2 times, and then you can fold it. 1, 2, roll, roll, roll. And then this is what the egg is for. I dip my finger in the egg.
So it can stick?
Correct. And there you have it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and then, you know, because I'm quite sure you guys not gonna be here all day to watch me load all of these bad boys. But I will show you the finished product. So I have mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar cheese. So you push it back to meet this end here. And I make sure the corners line up right here. So you take it, and as you covering it, you want to push it back just to make it tight. Okay, you're gonna fold, fold, roll. You get some egg, brush the corner, and there you go. Okay, be right back, guys. And there you have it. Delicious. I said delicious. Cheesesteak and mushroom egg rolls. And this is ranch and sweet and sour sauce. Thank me later, okay? Look at that. Okay, you can have a bite. You see that? Fully loaded. It's loaded with steak and cheese. And you see that banana pepper just ready for you to bite it? Go ahead. I don't see why not. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love me like I love you. And until next time, guys, bye.